Hey friends, Chef Inena here. The cold season is here with us once again, and all I want for dinner is something that is warming, comforting, and familiar at the same time. This corn and beans, or Kenya Githeri, does that for me in one pot. Friends, this recipe is all about corn and beans. I have about 4 cups of frozen corn here that I usually get from either Indian stores or Spanish stores. My friend Jane actually grows very good corn. So first things first, we are going to bring this corn to a boil. So into the pan, add the corn and about 4 cups water. Add 2 bay leaves, a pinch dried thyme, and just a pinch dried rosemary. Bring this to a boil, cook for 20 minutes. Now open these 2 cans red kidney beans. Run them through this strainer. Whenever I'm buying these beans, I always make sure that they are either low sodium or no salt added. By any means, if you have dried beans, you can use. I'm going to run into the sink and run this through some cold water. Now I will set aside these beans to drain as I work on the rest of the vegetables to go with the dish. So as for the vegetables, I have some carrots, some ginger, some tomatoes, onions, sweet potatoes, cilantro for cooking and garnish, and I also have some kale here which I have already picked. This corn has been boiling for about 20 minutes and it's ready for the next step. Now add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the same pot that we used to boil the corn in. Once the oil is hot, add 1 onion that I peeled and sliced. Have these onions sweat just for a bit. Add 1 tablespoon each ginger garlic. Stir these to release their flavors. Season some salt, pepper. Remember, always season as you go. A good time to add the spices: 1 tablespoon cumin, coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika, a half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon dried thyme, and a pinch of rosemary. As always, toast the spices to release the essential oils which hold their flavors. Add a teaspoon tomato paste. Add 2 tomatoes. Cook this mixture for about 5 minutes until everything comes together. Remember the keyword in cooking, always developing the flavors. Time to add our carrots. We can also add the sweet potatoes. These are 2 sweet potatoes that I peeled and cut into bite size. Season a little bit more salt and pepper. Now I covered this pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Give everything a good stir. As always, smells so good already. The colors are so beautiful. Perfect for ingredients. Add our beans, the 2 cans drained. Also add the corn together with the water that we used to boil it, and the 2 bay leaves. The water makes a very nice corn broth. Give everything here a stir. Cook until the sweet potatoes, the carrots are cooked. Remember, the corn is already parboiled and the beans are already cooked. If you have dried beans and dried corn or maize, by any means you can use, but it's gonna take you a little bit longer. Just before I cover, a good amount of cilantro here. We actually need some water here. I want it to be nice and brothy at the end. Remember, we are also going to add the kales. Check the sweet potatoes so that we can add the kale. Yeah, the sweet potatoes are almost there. This is a small bunch kale. I'm going to make it go in there somehow because we need the green. Just cover this, let them steam. Simple. Now stir all this kale in there. Kale in there. Splash of Worcestershire sauce. Just a small touch. Balsamic vinegar. Turn off the heat. And then just enjoy this delicious and comforting fall dish. Corn and beans are classic Kenyan favorites. Serve it in a bowl or make it as a side dish. Top it with any protein of your choice. Roasted chicken like the one I have up here that you can check will make a complete meal. Just serve it in a bowl like so and you got yourself a perfect dinner full of fiber, a lot of vegetables, and a refreshing githeri. Some cilantro just to finish. Get in there and taste this delicious dish. Nice, soupy, very comforting. One more big bite. So friends, there you have it, something you can put together for dinner on this cold night. Our githeri or corn and beans with sweet potatoes, kales, carrots. You can use any vegetables of your choice or whatever is available to you, and you got yourself this comforting and delicious dinner or side dish that you can make on any day of the week. So thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember, please subscribe, give me a comment on this, and give me a like. I will see you soon.